Variables, part 4. Variable means anything that can vary. JavaScript include variable which hold the data value and it can be changed anytime. JavaScript uses reserved keyword var to declare a variable. JavaScript variable are container for storing data values. In this example, XYZ are variable declared with the var keyword. This example will taken after that this part. Using let and constant is 6. Before 2015, using the var keyword was the only way to declare a JavaScript variable. The 2015 version of JavaScript is allow the use of the constant keyword to define a variable that cannot be reassigned, and let keyword to define a variable with restricted scope. Because it is little complicated to describe the difference between this keyword and because they are not supported in older browser, this part of this tutorial will most be of var. Identifiers. All JavaScript variables must be identified with unique names. These unique names are called identifiers. Identifiers can be short names, x like x or y, or more descriptive names, age, sum, total, volume. The general rules for constructing name for variable unique identifiers are names can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar signs. Name must begin with a letter. Names can also begin with dollar sign and underscore. Names are case sensitive. Y and capital Y are different variables. Reserved keyword like script keyword cannot be used as names. JavaScript identifiers are case sensitive. We can see that one statement many variable. You can declare many variable in one statement. Start the statement with var and separate the variable by comma. Var person, John Doe, car name, Volvo, price 2000. Value undefined. In computer program, variables are often declared without a value. The value can be something that has to calculate it or something that will be provided later, like user input. A variable declared without a value will have the same value undefined. The variable car name will have the value undefined after the execution of this statement. An example. Take example var car name. We do not give any statement. This time this variable become undefined. Redeclaring JavaScript variable also will available in let and var statement. JavaScript arithmetic. This with algebra you can do arithmetic with JavaScript variable using operator like equal to and plus sign and minus also be that. Remember that JavaScript identifier must begin with a letter, A to Z uppercase or A to Z lowercase, dollar sign or Visual Studio Code. This is my HTML file. I linked this JavaScript file to the HTML file over here, and we will start with this video in variable. What is the variable? Variable is the storing data for anything. We will start over with var. Var is a variable, and we will give him the x equal to 5. Now we will find this value over here with the alert. If I give him double quotation with x, what happens? We will see that. For the refresh, it's put already x. Why? Because we give him double quotation. Put this equation in. If I give him single quotation, that time what happened? It also backs an x. If you work with a variable, that time you do not give him any double quotation or single quotation. Just put in its value and that back it's back. If I change this x to 1656, what happened? It's change, also change. Variable can reassign this value. We will go with second variable y equal to 15. And this two variable conclude with the arithmetic operator. Now I'll give this z equal to x plus y, and then this value give this alert sign. This seems 20, it's correct. 15 plus 5, it's 20. If I change this over value also for y equal to 20, it shows 25. Change. After the 2015, this was a change with a late variable change to late. If I give him both value, first x to late and second to var, what happened? We will see over here. This also not change. If I give both late, okay, and this is also be, I'll give it a late. This seem to be, this one is same. If I move this file over here and one file to const y equal to 12 and put this x, we will find that first x it's 5. Okay, it's working properly. And now we will go with y. It's all, it should be working, but I can change this value to x. I can change it, whatever I have to do there. With variable I can change it anytime, reassign the values. But in const I cannot change this value. If I give y 45, what happened? It sounds to be, it's not working. Why? We will show or inspect console uncount assigned to constant variable. We cannot change the constant variable. If I put this all method can work also be in console. Okay, why? For here, it's what can start with dollar sign name. Dollar we can change over here. This also be a work. Okay, it's work. I'll do refresh one more time. Okay, it's work. And also be a with underscore. This with type of name can win. We need change with variables. If you give him let to let over here, this can't be a work. If it work, that sometimes it's show on the error. That time you have to find out that. But if you give some basics name, how can we define that variables and name that? And also this variable is case sensitive. If I give this capital X to 5, this also be a change. It's not showing 5. Okay, I give this 15. It's on 5. If I put over here capital X, this it's working. 15. And also if you have to give this variable in a one line multi-purpose, this also be a work. One variable, declare a one variable and give two statements. This semicolon define the different statement. If we give only this type of symbol, then is also shown that undefined. This we declare on only a variable. Okay, for here is capital X. Undefined, that means that we declare only variable and we give this declare variable to after that any value. 45. If I give this 45 over here, this also be a check. This type of method we can use in this variable form.